So you see that the Postman run, right, through their collection runner or the monitoring, right? But millions of companies, they do not want to just pay the Postman or pay the third-party company. They actually build their internal tools for all application code building purposes. The Jenkins is one of them. Jenkins is free. Like there are type of like hundreds of the build tools in the market. Every cloud platform has their own build tools. Okay, but Jenkins is free. You do not need to pay money. But the sucky part of the Jenkins is you need to manage yourself because it's free. So many companies, they use it. Many companies forget about it. We'll be actually paying the company so that I can use the paid version, because paid version is much better, much smoother. So this part of the CloudOps job, they maintain the Jenkins, they build the Jenkins, they maintain everything. You just get the access from the quality point of view, and you schedule your collection or your code. It will be running. So now the good thing is, yeah, go ahead, continue, please.
Okay.
So good thing is API testing does not need any visual anything. API testing run under the hood. This means it does not need the visualization. It's called the headless. Headless means you do not need to see it. It runs itself. So API, that's the reason API testing is super powerful. The whole platform you can run under the hood, means headless. So we'll be running on the Jenkins. On the Jenkins machine, Jenkins need to be installed. Java need to be installed because Jenkins is based on the Java programming language. And then you need to install all the plugins. One of the plugins is Node.js plugin, because NPM, Newman plugin, because the Postman collection can be run through the Newman plugin. And Newman plugin is based on the Node.js. So this Jenkins has a Node.js install as well. So all the plugins installed, that's part of the CloudOps job. They need to make sure that the QA gets everything they need. And finally, QA can actually schedule their code to run it. So let's do that.
Okay, so let's create a new item first to create a project, then give the project name. From API automation February 23. Then select the freestyle project. Then click on the OK button. Then after that, scroll a little bit down. Then select the Git. Then give the repository URL. Repository URL you will get from your here, or you just simply click on the clone. Then copy the URL, the HTTPS one. Then paste here. Okay. After that, what you have to do, you have to give the credentials of your Git. Okay. So to get the credentials, you have to click on the add the Jenkins. Then you have to give the username of the Git. So if you click on this, you can see your username. So this is my username, right? So let me give my username. Okay, then I have to give my password. So I cannot give the password here. Actually, I have to give the token here. Okay, so to give the token, I have to generate the token. So just simply click on this, go to the preferences, then click on the access tokens, then give the token name. Let's say Jenkins build. Then give the expiration date. Let me give the date. Okay, then give the scopes. I mean, on this token, whoever who use this token, they can get the API, read the API, read user, read repository, write repository, sudo. I give all the access. Then create personal access token. So here it is, and make sure you save it. You won't be able to access it again. Okay. So copy this token and also store this token in anywhere. Okay. And then just go to Jenkins and paste here. Okay. Then just click on the add. So it will add your information into the Jenkins. I'm not going to add this because I have already this. So just click here and I have already this. I'm just selecting this. So here it is. The error is gone. It's connected. Then in the branch here, I'm going to change the master instead of master.
Main, because the Git is
this,
the main. Remember,
yeah,
the Git what is main, so we'll just have the main.
After the star and then slash, I have put the main. Then scroll a little bit down. Then here I put the build periodically. Okay. So in the build periodically, if I want to run like after every 60 minutes, so H
Whatever you did
slash
in the Postman
60.
around the monitoring, you can do the same thing in the Jenkins as well, because that's all be in the Jenkins job.
Yeah. So here I
Okay.
can put the H mean hour, then 60, the minutes, then the star. Okay. If you want to get the idea to get this cron job, you can get from here, schedule, can from here also. Okay, here it's just giving you some idea. So you can
It
just
gives the
simply copy and
explanation
paste
of
here.
the each of the things meaning.
Okay. Then scroll down a little bit more. Then provide mark on this, provide node and npm bin folder to path. Okay, just mark this on. Then click on the add build step, go to the execute shell. Okay, and here we have to run the command. The command is
So in this
Newman.
machine, in this build machine, Jenkins machine, we actually plug in the Newman. Of course, before that we install the Node.js as well, because Newman is the plugin of the Node.js. Otherwise, it will not
Okay,
work, and that's part of the.
so
Go ahead.
Newman run in the double quotation. We have to give the collection name. So let's go to the project again. Go to the groups first. So FFM API automation, this one. Then this is our collection. So just you can simply go there and copy this. Okay.
Only the collection name, not the URL here. So make sure you know this.
Okay. So this is the collection name. Then dash E. Then again the double quotation. This one we have to give the environment name. So go back and this is the environment. So just simply copy this and paste it here. Okay. Now apply this, save this, and build now.
Means it will run now. So whatever you did in the Postman, it will be running here as well. But again, if it fail, you can see. If it fail, of course, you go back to where? You go back to again Postman, you find out what all the issues happening, and then actually you do everything on the Postman, go back to all the way there. And it run everything, 4 tests, 0 fail. For all the iteration means one time it ran, and then no failure, and the test script is 1, it's all ready to go. Assertion is 4. Assertion means validation. Simple. This is run. This is done successfully. Good?
Yep.